Students, today we will learn division. Now multiplication of big numbers over. Today we will learn division. How to divide the big numbers. Okay. So directly I will show you practice 3.7. From that example I will show you how to divide. See here, this is the number. How to read the number? 22,12,364. We have to divide it by 7. Now how to divide? See here, first take this digit 2. Can we divide 2 by 7? No, because 2 is smaller than 7. Correct? We cannot divide 2. Then what to do? Take this 2-digit number 22. Now in 7's table, see here, 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21, 7 4 is 28, 7 5 is 35, 7 6 is 42, 7 7 is 49, 7 8 is 56, 7 9 is 63, 7 10 is 70. This is 7's table. Okay. Now in 7's table, which number is near to 22 and which will be small also? It should be close and small. So see here, 21. It is very close to 22 and smaller than 22. So 7 at which place? 3 is how to do? See 7 3 is 21. Okay. We have to subtract. Now 2 minus 1, 1. 2 minus 2, 0. Over. Now at a time only one digit we can take down. So now next digit is 1. So that one we will take. Now it became 11. So in 7's table, which number is near to 11 and which will be small? So see, after 7, 14. 14 is greater. So we cannot take. So 7, the number itself only. And 7 is there at which place? 1. 7 1s are. So 7 1s are 7. Okay. Now 11 minus 7. 4. Correct. Means here 11, here 0. Okay. Now next, this 2 will have to take down. Okay. It will become 42. Now in 7's table 42 is there? Yes. At which place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6 are. So 7, 6 are 42. We have to subtract. Okay. After that, this number 3. Can we divide 3 by 7? No. We have taken at a time only one digit we can take, no? And we cannot divide 3. So 7, we have to divide it by 0. 7 zeros are 0. Now 3 minus 0, 3. Take this 6 down. Now which number is close to 36? 35. That is 7 5s are 35. Okay. 6 minus 5, 1. 3 minus 3, 0. And now take this 4 down. It will make 14. So 7 2s are 14. Followed? Understood? Now here see. This is called as quotient. This is called as remainder. Okay. So what is the quotient here? What is the quotient of this? I'll write here. Quotient is 316052. You will have to write it here. Okay. Downside. I have written here. So this is the answer. Now next see. We have to divide this 15,94,047 by 13. Now for that which table we want? 13's table. So if it is possible for you, or you can write 13's table to the in the one corner of your notebook. Okay, and from that you can see the numbers which are closer. Now see, here also, here 13. Can we divide this only one digit by 13? No. So take these 2 digits. Okay, it became 15 now. So 13 1s are 13. 5 minus 3, 2. 1 minus 1, 0. Take this 9 down. 13 2s are 26. 9 minus 6, 3. 0. Take this 4 down. Now again, see, 13 2s are 26, 13 3s are 39. But 39 is greater than 34. So 13, again we have to take 13 2s are 26. Now do subtraction. This here 14 and here 2 will remain. 14 minus 6, 8. And this 0. Okay. Now take this 0 down. 80 is there. Which number is close to 80? 13 6 are 78. Okay. 80 minus 10 minus 8 is 2, or 80 minus 78 is 2. Now take 4 down. Now 24 in 30's table. 13 2s are 26. That we cannot take. So 13 1s are 13. And take this now last digit 7. 13 9s are 117. Correct? So what is the quotient of this? This what is the answer? Answer is equal to, quotient is 122,619. This is the quotient. Okay. Third question. We want to divide this number by 18. So what did I do? Here I have written 18's table. Okay. And to divide this number we have to use 42's table. So here also I have made table of 42. How to make table of 42? 42 we have to multiply. 42 by 2. 2's means we have to multiply by 2. Then 42 3's are, 44 4's are. Like that I have multiplied and I have made the table. Or without multiplication also we can make the table. See here how. First write 2's table, then 4's table, like that. That method I will explain you afterward. But here I have made one table of 42. Okay. Now first we will solve third one. Again we have to take this 2-digit number. Correct? Because this is single digit. We cannot divide by 18. So in 18's table which number is close to 24? 18 only. So 18 1s are 18. Okay. 24 minus 18 how much? 24 minus 18, or you can cut right here 4, here 1. 14 minus 8 is 6. 1 minus 1 0. Take this 9 down. Now which number is close to 69? 54. 18 3s are 54. Okay. 9 minus 4 5. 6 minus 5 1. Take this 3 down. Which number is close to 153? 144. And 144 comes at which place? 8's. 18 8's are 144. Okay. Now 13, here 4. So 13 minus 4 is 9. And 4 minus 4 0. 1 minus 1 0. Take 5 down. Okay. Which number is close to this? 90. That is 18 5's are 90. And this again which 0 remain? Digit 0. 50. Which number is close to 36? So 18 2's are 36. Now 10 minus 6, here 4. 10 minus 6 4. 4 minus 3 1. And take this last 4 down. Now again 144. 18 8's are 144. Okay. Now so what is the quotient? Quotient is equal to 138,528. Okay. This is the answer. Now next in 4 question I will divide it by 42. Okay. So first take these 2 digits. Now in 42's table which is the nearest number to 88 is 84. That is 42 2's are 84. 8 minus 4 4. 8 minus 8 0. Take 5 down. Okay. Now 42 1's are 42. 5 minus 2 3. 4 minus 4 0. Take 9 down. 39. Can you divide 39 by 42? See, no, because 39 is smaller. So I'll put 0. Okay. Now take this 3 down. Here is 393. Now which number is close to 393 in this table? 378. That is 42 nines are 378. Okay. 13. Here 8. 13 minus 8 is 5. 8 minus 7, 1. And 3 minus 3, 0. Now take these 5 down. Now which number is close to 155? 126. 42 3s are 126. When we write the table beside that of this divisor, then it becomes very easy for us to divide. Okay. Now here 15. Cut this 4. 15 minus 6 is 9. 4 minus 2 is 2. And is 0. Now last digit is 4 we have to take. So it's here 42 sevens are 294. Now see 0 0 0. Okay. So the quotient we have to write down. Quotient of this question is 210937. Followed? Fifth one. Here we have to divide by 4. 54. So I have made table of 54. Here we have to divide by 63. So I did not prepare the table of 63. I will show you how to prepare the table of big numbers. Those who don't know. Okay. First we will use this table. Now see. Here also we will take first two digits. 82. Now which number is close to 82? The number itself. That is 54. So 54 ones are 54. Okay. Subtract. 12. Here 7. 12 minus 4, 8. And 7 minus 5, 2. Take 5 down. Now which number is closer to 285? 270. At which place it is? Fifth place. So 54 5s are 270. Okay. Now take this another 5 down. Now which number is closer to this number? 108. 54 2s are 108. 15 here 4. 15 minus 8 7 4 this 0. Take 3 down. Now which number is close to this number? 432. That is 54 8s are 432. Okay. Now next is this 0. 410. Which number is close to this? 378. That is 7s are 378. 10 minus 8 2 and 10 minus 7 is 3 0. Take this 4 down. 324. Is it there? Yes. 54 6 are. Got it? So your quotient is equal to 152876. This is the answer. Okay. Next. 63. I told you how to prepare the table. What to do? First, here write down 6 table and here write down the 3's table. Then next is what? See here. This 3 and this 6 make 63. Correct? So, this 6 right here and this 12. Okay. Then, this 9, this 18. Now, here see. 12 is there, here 24 is there. Correct? 6 is there at 10's place and 3 is there at 1's place. So what? We will write 1's place only. This 2 we will write and this 10's place. 1 is there at 10's place. No? So that one we will add here. 24 plus 1 is 25. Followed? In this way we have to do. Now here 2-digit number is there. Then what we have to do? The ones place digit we have to write here, and next number we have to add in this. Got it? Now see here. This 5 write as it is, and 30 plus 1 is 31. Correct? Now here 18, 8. Correct? And 36 plus 1, 37. Now here this 1 we have to write here. 42 plus 2, 44. Okay? In this way we have to make the table. Now here which digit? Ones place, that is 4 we have to write. And in 48 add 2. 48 plus 2, 50. Here see 7 write as it is. 54 plus 2 is 56. And now here what we will do? 0 write as it is. And in 60 we have to add 3. 60 plus 3 is 63. Got it? In this way we have to make the table of big numbers. Now we will use this table of 63. Correct? So here first 2-digit number is 66. Which number is closer to 66? The number itself, 63. 1s are 63. So 6 minus 3, 3, 0. Take down 2. 32 it became. But 32 is smaller than 63. So divide it by 0. Again 32. Now take this 6 down. Now which number is close to 326 here? 315. At which place it is? 5th place. Correct? So 63 5s are 315. 6 minus 5 1. 2 minus 1 1. 0. Now take 7 down. Okay. Which number is close to this? 126. So 63 2s are 1. No. Here 117 is there. No? So 63 1s are 63 only will come. 7 minus 3 4 and 11 minus 6 5. Okay. Okay. Now take 8 down. 548. Which number is close to this? 504. That is 8th place. 8s are 504. Now last is 1. Now which, see 441, is it there? Yes. At which place? 7th place. 63 7s are 441. So the answer is quotient. I will write down 105187. This is the answer of this question. Okay. Students, now we will solve 7th one. Okay. I have already prepared 79 and here 83 table. So 79 1s are 79. Okay. Because 99 here, which number was closer? 79 only. Now take 5 down. Okay. So 150. Here 237, which is greater, we cannot take. So 158. 79 2s are 158. Here 15. 9. Here 1. 15 minus 8 7. And 9 minus 5 4. Take this 8 down. Which number is closer to this? 474. At which place it is? 6th place. Correct? So 79 6s are 474. Take next 8 down. Can we divide this 8 by 79? No. So 0. 48. Take 9 down. Now 489. Again this we'll have to. That is 79 6 are 474. 9 minus 4 5. 8 minus 7 1 and this 0. Now take these 8. That is 79 2s are 158. See how easy it is. Okay. If we prepare the table, how easy. So what will be the quotient? Quotient is equal to 1 2 6 0 6 2. This is the answer. Now we'll move towards this. 83 table I have already written. So here first two digits are, this number is 86. So 83 ones are 83. Okay. 6 minus 3 is 3. 0. Take 3 down. Now 33. Can we divide 33 by 83? No. So 0 is 83. Sorry. 0. Take this 2 down. Now see. 83 4s are. Take this 3 down. Can we divide 3 by 83? No. So 0. Take the 4 down. Now, can we divide this 34 by 83? No. So again 0. And take this 5 down. Okay. Now 345. Can we divide this 345? Now which number is close to this 3? This one. 332 at 4th place, correct? 83 4s are 332. Now see here. Here we cannot divide completely. Remainder we get, that is 13. So the answer is quotient 104004 and remainder is 13. Okay. In this way we have to solve. Students, now up till now we were dividing by 2-digit number, but here 3-digit. Now directly I will solve 10 and 12. Remaining you will have to do as homework. See, now here 124 is there, 3-digit number. So what I did, I first prepared the table of 124 and there I prepared the table of 360. This 3-digit number you can prepare the table by multiplying also. Okay. Now here by multiplying I have prepared the table. So 124. First we have to take 3-digit number, that is 130. So which number is closer? This one. Here 10, here 2. 10 minus 4, 6. 2 minus 2, 0, 0. Take 3 down. Can we subtract 63? Small than 124. So 0s are 0. Now take 2 down. Which number is close to this? 620. And 620 is there at which place? 5th place. So 124 5s are 620. Now take 5 down. Again 124 1s are 124. Take 1 down. 0s are. Okay. 10 0. Now take this 4 down. Now which number is close to this? No. So again 0. And take this last 0 here. Now 1040. Okay. Is it, which number is close to 1040? This 992. And which place? 8th place. Okay. So here 10, here 3. 10 minus 2 is 8. Now we can subtract 9 from 3. So what we have to do? We have to borrow from this 1. From 1 here it will go. That is 13. 13 minus 9 is 4. And 9 minus 9 0. 0. So quotient is 1051,008 and remainder is 48. Followed? This is the answer. Here what is important? This table making is important and how to use that table in division. Followed? Now here see 360 and this such a big number it is. Okay. So we have to take these first 3 digits. Now, which digit one number is close to this? 720. So 36 twos, 362s are 720. Take 7 down. 87. Can we divide 87 by 360? No. So again, zeros are. If we are unable, then we have to put 0. Okay. Now take 0. Again, which number is close to this? Second one. 720. Take 0. Now which number is close to this? This 1440. Ten minus 4 is 6. Now next is 2. 602. Now which number is close to that? Again the number itself, that is 1 za. 360. 10 minus 6, 4. 5 minus 3, 2. Take 4 down. The number became 2424. Now this number is close to that, 2160. And it is at which place? 6 place. 2160. So 12 minus 6, 3 minus 2, 0. Now 264 is there, okay, and last is this digit we have to take, that is 5. 2645. Now which number is close to this? This 7th one, okay, 7th place number, that is 2520. So the answer is 5210. So what is quotient? In this way, we have to divide the big numbers. Basic division remains as it is. Okay, nothing change in that. And remainder is 125. Got it?